If you want to learn how to join clips in CapCut on PC, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to merge multiple clips into one single track. This is super useful when you want to keep your timeline organized, group clips together, or make editing a little faster and cleaner. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer and make sure your clips are already imported into your project. Once you have them ready, drag your clips onto the timeline and place them side by side in the order you want them to appear. This is the first important step, because CapCut needs the clips positioned together before you can merge them. Next, select all the clips you want to join. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the clips, or by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking each clip one by one if they are separated. Make sure every clip you want to combine is highlighted, because only the selected clips will be included in the next step. Now, once your clips are selected, right-click on them. A menu will appear, and from that menu look for the option that says Create Compound Clip. Click that option, and CapCut will combine the selected clips into one single compound clip. If you prefer using a shortcut, you can also press Alt+G to do the same thing much faster. After that, your clips will be locked together on the timeline, which makes them easier to move, trim, and manage as one unit. This is especially helpful if you are working on a large project and want to keep everything neat and organized. And that's it. That is how you join clips in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.